Am I being detained then?
You're not free to leave. We do have the legal right to stop you right now.
Oh, I believe this is unconstitutional, but...
Driving to privilege is not a right. I'm telling you to get out right now.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Today's story is from Ryan Scott. Be sure to head over to his channel and let him know I sent you. Ryan was driving in Illinois when he came across a roadside safety checkpoint being conducted by the Illinois State Police. In 1990, the Supreme Court upheld the constitutionality of DUI checkpoints. The court was split, voting 6-3. The majority opinion was based on the grounds that, quote, preventing alcohol-related death and mutilation on the nation's roads outweighs the slight intrusion on drivers stopped at sobriety checkpoints. The three dissenting judges opined that generally, that the government had to prove that it had reasonable suspicion for a minimally intrusive seizure to be considered reasonable, that some level of individualized suspicion is a core component of the protection the Fourth Amendment provides against arbitrary government action. By holding that no level of suspicion is necessary before the police may stop a car for the purpose of preventing drunk driving, the court potentially subjects the general public to arbitrary or harassing conduct by the police.
Evening, officer.
Good evening.
Before we continue, I'd just like to let you know that you are being recorded right now.
Okay, that's fine.
So I would just like to know why I'm being pulled over.
We're doing a roadside safety check.
Okay.
Okay.
Am I being detained?
What's that?
Am I being detained?
Well, right now we're just conducting our job, making sure
Okay.
that everyone's on the road driving safely.
Okay. Is that
Yes, you can. You are not free to leave right now.
so far? Everybody's being safe. Am I being detained then?
You're not free to leave.
Am I
Okay?
being detained? If I'm not free to leave, then you're suspecting me of committing a crime. Then am I being detained?
We're making sure that everybody's driving safely.
Oh, I understand. Thank you for.
Now, I've explained
doing
myself.
so. Absolutely.
Okay. And we do have the legal right to stop you right now.
Oh, I
So
believe this is unconstitutional,
hold on, I'm
but
speaking. Now, like I said, I've asked you for your driver's license and proof of
you
insurance.
actually didn't
Now,
ask
please
me
give it
for
to me.
my driver's license, but I'm actually not obligated to provide that if I'm not being detained.
What? You are
Whoa,
obligated.
whoa!
You're obligated. Get out now.
Whoa.
Get out now. Driving to privilege
Sir.
is not a right. I'm telling you to get out right now.
Excuse me, I'm not.
We asked for your license and insurance. Yes, you are resisting
I can
at this
provide-
point.
no, sir, I
And
can
give us your
provide it.
license and insurance,
Absolutely.
like he was asked.
Absolutely, sir. This is my license here.
Okay, now get your insurance. That's
Okay.
required by law.
All right.
Driving to privilege, not a right.
Absolutely, sir. I completely.
We're not going to
agree.
sit here and debate with you.
Okay, well, this is very unconstitutional. What you're doing.
No, you know what?
And-
This is not unconstitutional. I already explained it to you. Driving
Sir.
to privilege is not a right.
Understood. This is my driver's
Good.
license. My
Thank
insurance
you.
card. You're welcome.
That's what you're required to do to drive in Illinois.
I
Do
would-
you understand that?
Absolutely.
Do you understand
I
that?
would also like to inform you that you are being recorded right now.
Good.
Okay. Can I please
You were
shut my door?
asked. No.
Since I'm not being detained.
No.
What am I being detained for exactly, sir? If I am
We
being
asked for your
detained.
driver's license and insurance card, which you're required to have when you drive in the state of Illinois.
Understood.
Correct?
Correct. That is correct.
That's
and
what
I
you
do.
were asked
and I
for.
do have that. Correct. I
I don't know. I'm looking at it. You refused to
I
provide
did
it
not
originally,
refuse.
didn't you?
Absolutely not. I did not refuse anything.
Is this
I
your
said-
current address?
I asked. I would not like
Is
to
this
answer
your
any-
current
I'd like
address?
to remain silent, sir, unless I have an attorney present.
Is this your current address?
I would like to remain silent, sir. I would like to exercise my Fifth Amendment right.
Do you have a more current insurance card?
I would like to exercise my Fifth Amendment right. Everything there is completely valid and legal, and I'd like to exercise my Fifth Amendment right from here on out, unless I
I'm
have
sorry,
an
what
attorney.
was that?
I would like to exercise my Fifth Amendment right from here on out,
What
unless
does
I have
the
an
Fifth
attorney.
Amendment say?
That I have the right to remain silent.
Really?
Absolutely.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Am I free to leave?
Sit on. Yes,
Thank
you
you.
are.
You guys have a great night.
It is my opinion that the court swayed about as far as they could from the Constitution. While drunk driving deaths and injuries are horrendous, and any reasonable man would want to eradicate them, giving up liberty in the interest of safety is a dangerous game. It allows incidents like this one that you just watched to happen without reason. Ryan had not committed a traffic infraction, nor was he suspected of driving under the influence. But because of the Supreme Court ruling, state agents were granted the authority to detain Ryan, demand his papers, and search his vehicle. I leave you with one question. What was the Fourth Amendment written for, if not to prevent this? This ruling, if not eventually reversed, will give way to more violations of our rights. It's important to check the laws in your area to determine the amount of compliance the ruling class demands of you, and to consult an attorney if you feel your rights have been violated. Thank you for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you have an interaction you'd like me to review, email it, submit it on my website, or through Facebook Messenger. All links are down below. That concludes our video for today. Please subscribe and turn on all notifications so you never miss a video. If you're old here, like, share, comment down below what you think of this interaction, and consider a channel membership or merch to further support the channel. If you have an incident you'd like us to review, link it down below or contact us through the social media platforms linked in the description.